Welcome. In front of me is a Oppo A15, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, pull down your notification panel and look for the power saving toggle, which looks to be turned off by default, so we will need to find the turned off toggles right here. And it looks to be on the first page, right? Whoopsie. Let me just get back there. So it looks like it's on the first page right here. Power saving mode. So once you find it, you can hold it, drag it over to the top and drop it, and it will now be added to your toggles. There we go. So from here, once you find the toggle, simply click on it to turn it on, and there we go. It is now in power saving mode. And once you're done with it, you charge up your battery or whatever you do. You can disable it by tapping on a toggle once more, and this will go back to the normal power saving mode, or however you want to call it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.